All right, so here it is assembled. So I'm going to take it back. This does have a lever right here. Okay, how is that? Can I even see it right there? Or is it right here? Right there. If you can, for this latch, for your manual override, right there. If you can get in there and get it, I couldn't figure out how to do it. And there is one right. If you can get to that lever right there, and if you can see that movement right here, as you pull up on that, that's the release for that latch right there. And this is the release for the bottom one down here. It's right there. But my main problem here was we got that taken care of. So now it just goes, just shuts and opens. There we go. Like that. Much better. In the process, I did break the lever right here, right there. I cracked that, so the fold down mode is now not working because of I cracked that handle. So gotta go to the yard and pick one up.